Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you have some pictures that you want to send as snaps on Snapchat, it doesn't show any filters or anything like that. They cannot tell that you send it from your photo gallery and it looks like a normal snap. So first of all, you need to head over to Snapchat account or the Snapchat app. Normally, the method that you use is to say filter, but if you use a filter, it will show that you use the filter when you send the snap. So let's say I'm snapping a friend here, so when he or she will open this, they will come to know that you use a filter. If I like to send a photo, then the photo will just show up as photo normally. So if I send this photo, then it will just send it as a photo and not as a snap. And even if I did try to send it as a snap through a filter, it would say I use a filter and it would look like a fake now. And to make it look real, what you want to do is you want to head out of the Snapchat app and search for App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you run that store, search for OVF Editor. Once you search for OVF Editor, you're going to want to head over to it and download it. As you can see, I already have downloaded it. But this is what it looks like as a yellow outline. So once you downloaded it, you can just open it up on your iPhone or your Android, whatever device you're using, and it will bring you to this page here. Right now here you want to click on Photos Video, and this app has ads, but they're really short. They only take like 5 seconds. But once you watch the ad and then you close it, then you're going to want to choose the photo that you want to send as a snap. So say I want to send this a photo right here as a snap. You can edit it however you want, as you can see here. And once you are done editing, you can click on the check mark in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then again click on the check mark. Now, a pop will appear on your screen saying that if you want to share it on Snapchat. So, simply click on this and it will bring you straight over to Snapchat. Now, as you can see this photo, and it doesn't show any settings or filters that we use on it. And once you do that, you can just send it to whoever you want to send. So I'll send it to my friend right here. Then I'll show you what it looks like from the other person's point. So let me switch over to my other account. So now I'm on my other account. If I open that snap which sent from that account, as you can see, this is the same photo I sent as snap. It is a snap and not a photo. As you can see, there is nothing that shows that it's a fake snap. There's no filter or anything like that. It's 100% non-detectable. So that's basically how you can send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.